This is the cutest, simplest DIY gift that you can give pretty much anybody in your life. The one I'm making here is going to Nana for Mother's Day, so I'm having my kiddos write "I love you, Nana" on a piece of paper. I also had some cousins write over and send over pictures as well. I uploaded the pictures into Canva. This is a step that you can definitely skip, but I am just adjusting the size of their writing so that I can make sure it fits in the hoop exactly the way I want. You can have them write directly onto your fabric with a heat erasable pen, or just make a template for the hoop size and have them write in it on a piece of paper. So I did all the grandkids, oldest to youngest. And then I download it onto my computer and print it out to the size that I need for my hoop. I'm using carbon transfer paper to transfer this pattern onto my fabric. As you can tell, this is well loved and I can use it multiple times. I have it linked below. And now I'm going to carefully trace their handwriting onto this fabric. I always put an extra piece of cotton underneath my linen-like fabric. It just makes the embroidery a little sturdier and doesn't make it pucker up as you're pulling your stitches tight. I'm just using black thread here, and I'm actually going to cut it down to 1 strand. Embroidery floss comes in 6 strands, so I'm just using 1 of those, and I'm going to thread my needle, pull it through halfway, and then knot the ends so that it's actually 2 strands of thread. And then I'm just going to use the back stitch to stitch over the pattern and copy their handwriting. Just gonna knot the thread in the back. And then add a cute floral neutral backing. It's just a piece of cotton fabric to the back, so I take the embroidery out of the hoop, put the cotton face down onto the back of the hoop, and then your embroidered piece on top of that, and then you can put the top of the hoop back on. Cut the excess fabric off. I always leave a little bit just in case I need to pull it tight, but it usually stays put very well. And that is it. A simple, very affordable gift for anybody that is thoughtful and they can keep it forever. Please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this.